Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to the session today. Hope you all can hear me. Can you guys confirm once? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yes, yes.
Okay, great. Thanks for confirming. I hope you guys are able to see my screen as well. So let us start this session. So in the previous session, we have seen about 1 minute, guys. 1 minute, please. Okay, so in the previous sessions, we have seen about what is Google Cloud Platform and what are the different interfaces that we can able to use to interact with the Google Cloud Platform. Okay, so that's what we have seen. Right, in today's session, I am going to talk about how one can able to create a free tier account in the Google Cloud Platform. So if you guys wanted to interact with the GCP services, we need to have a free tier account, isn't it? So that is something that which is very important. So I'm going to tell you how to create a free tier account in the Google Cloud Platform. I am going to tell you now. So to create the free tier account, so this is what we are going to create, guys. So free tier account in GCP. So first thing is that what is the advantage of this free tier account is that they are going to provide you $300 in credit for the next 90 days. 90 days they are going to provide it, which is a huge amount of money. For next 90 days is a huge, very good validity. So that means if you are creating the account today, you can able to use the account until you burn out all the $300, or until the 90 days is completed. That's one thing, right? So to create a free tier account, the steps to follow, I'm going to tell you now, guys. The steps, only few steps are there. The very first step is that we have to go to the incognito mode. I suggest you to go to the incognito mode in Google Chrome. Okay, in Google Chrome, we suggest you to go to the incognito mode, open Google Cloud. I'm telling you very clearly because people will ask me the same steps 100 times. So that's the reason I'm going to tell you each and every step very clearly. Hardly it takes 2 minutes for you to create the account, but people will ask me like anything. So I'm going to tell you all the steps now. Open the Google Cloud. So once you open the Google Cloud platform, create dummy Google account. So this is what. So create a dummy. You might have already having the Google account, but the thing is that that's not a very good idea to use the existing Google account, which is your personal Google account. So I suggest you to create a one more Google account, so that I usually call it as a dummy Google account, which is only for this Google Cloud purpose. Okay, yeah. So once you create it, right, once you create it, there are two steps. You have to select the country, and for us it is most of the people are coming from India. It is India. Next, you have to complete a payment. So earlier the payment, if you guys are using the credit card, if you guys are using the credit card for the payment, it is only 2 rupees. Even now also, credit card if you are using, they are going to charge you 2 rupees for the verification purpose. And again, this 2 rupees will be credited to you after a week. This is what happens. Similarly, if you guys wanted to use UPI or net banking, or uh, maybe what we have, the debit card. So if you use any of these methods, they are charging you 1,000 rupees. Okay, again, once you close the billing account, this 1,000 rupees will be credited to you. Okay, we don't have to worry about that also. So once you close the billing account, sir, I wanted to close my billing account, so assume that you have a 90 days validity. So 85th day, okay, or 86th day, right, you try to close your billing account, this money will again credited back to your account. Okay, this 1,000 rupees will be back to your account, you don't have to worry about that. So this is what is the steps that we have to follow. First, we have to open the Google Chrome in the incognito mode. Once it is open, create a Google account and select the country as India, and then the payment method, there are any things. So UPI is very faster, doesn't take much time. UPI is very faster, go ahead and do that. And the net banking, debit card or credit card, anything you can use. Is there anyone that who wanted to create the account right now itself? You can start creating it. I'm going to give you like a 5 to 10 minutes now. I'm going to give you the 5 to 10 minutes now for those people who wanted to create it. And sir, I wanted to check it out now itself. So go ahead and start doing it. Anyone is there wanted to create their accounts, please start doing it, guys. I'm going to give you some 10 minutes here. And if you face any challenges, I'm here to help you. Anyone wanted to create it now? Okay. If anyone is creating it, can you guys please share your screen? I'm going to provide you the access. I'm going to make you other people know it if you guys already have everything set up.
Yes, I will.
Anyone?
I'm going to share my screen.
Yes, please.
Yeah, can you please provide the tax?
Sai P, right?
Yeah, yes. Yeah, Sai.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so let me gonna give it to Karthik. I cannot see the option. I cannot see the option. I don't know why. I'm not
Oh,
able to provide you the access. 1 minute.
okay.
1 minute. Not sure why. All right. The Meanwhile, 1 minute, guys. Let's try to sort this out. Okay, so let's do one thing. Karthik, let me gonna create an account for you. Okay, and when the payment comes, just do the UPI. Okay, on the screen. Would that be okay? Anything is fine, whatever it is. Let me see if I can able to provide you the access. I'm not sure why I'm not able to do it. 1 minute. Sai, let me create an account for you. Will you be able to do the UPI at the end?
Yeah, yeah, I started. I'm trying to creating that.
Okay. No, no, do not do that. I'll try to create a account for you so that everyone can see it. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Yeah, yeah, please.
Okay, so let me gonna create an account, guys, and I want you guys to see the screen of mine. So the very first thing is that we go to the incognito mode. You see, I'm opening the incognito mode. Once we are inside the incognito mode, search for Google Cloud. The only thing that we have to do is that search for Google Cloud, click on enter. So once you search for Google Cloud, this is how the first hyperlink gets open for you. Click on this first hyperlink, and then you see free to sign up, free to test, free to monthly usage. Just click on get started for free, and you can see here you can go ahead and start populating any kind of a new email address that you already have. So if you don't have an email address, this is where don't have a email address, just click on it here. So you have to enter your username which you wanted it to be. So I'm gonna mention SAIP GCP, okay, and available SAIP GCP 9. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one for you, and click on next and select a random anything, something related to any of these things, right? Just select the random details and just mention the password here. So this is 123 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, just mention the random password also. So yeah, Sai, can you do this sign in once?
Yeah,
Verify
yeah,
this one. Yeah,
yeah.
on your phone.
Hmm.
Open the camera application. Try to scan the code and click on the link, and it will ask you to do some small setup. It doesn't take one time. This is more of a verification before creating the account.
No, I'm getting some issues. So after scanning that, right? So it's asking to verify with the mobile number. Just I received that one email that is a send message without sending some editing. One code
Okay.
is received. Just I'm
Okay.
trying to accept that one, right? So it's getting some
Yes.
not delivered.
Yeah, it's done. Yes. Okay. It's actually done, guys. So you scan it, and once you scan it, that's it. Yeah. Click on I
Okay.
agree. Once is they agreed, so that means the Google account is created. Once the Google account is selected, as I told you, you can see here, you open the Google Cloud, sorry, incognito mode, you search with Google Cloud, and then what you have done is that once you open the Google Cloud, you have created a dummy account. Once a dummy account is selected, so have to select the country as India. So we all are coming from India, so that's the reason I'm selecting. If you guys are coming from different country, also select your country name. So here you select your country. You can also see on the right side that $300 in credit for free for next 90 days is the validity. No automatic charges also. You don't have to worry about any kind of automatic charges also. Nothing will happen. Just click on agree and continue. Once you agree and continue, so we have to add some kind of a contact information here. Okay, so I'm gonna add it here. Click on this add name and address. So here profile type, we are an individual person, right? So you select individual because we are not comes under any organization. We are a individual person. Just click on individual. So you enter your name and you enter any of the street details also. So I'm just entering the you know uh, so random details. Okay, so that's fine. Okay, let me just select this thing. Click on save. payment. So this is where once you added your contact information, enter all the details. May not be correct, but try to enter the details something, and you have an options here, payment method. So multiple options it will show you if you click on it here. So credit card or debit card or UPI or net banking. So anything you can go. If you have a valid credit card and it is allowing all the transactions, suggest you to go to the credit card. Hardly 2 rupees only will be debited. But if you have a payment with the help of the UPI, it is a simple method. Just click on UPI. So you select the UPI here, pay by UPI. Click on start free. So this is where the location where you have to scan your QR code for the UPI. So this is not a charge. This is more of a auto pay. Can you do this one, Sai?
Wow. Yeah. It is asking to pay 15,000.
That's fine. Click on allow. It is not doing. It is just a mandatory. Okay, mandate. Yeah. So continue. So it may be asking you guys, this is an auto pay option. That's it. It will enable the auto pay option. It will not debit any amount of money. It will just ask you 15,000 as mandate, but it is not going to debit anything. It is just a mandate. Usually, so some kind of amount should be there or something it will ask, but it will not do anything. Okay. Yeah. Auto
Yes,
pay
done.
option will be enabled. Done, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So as I told you, if you can see here, guys, your payment requires to make one time of 1,000 rupees prepayment. Once this payment is credited to your once this prepayment is credited to your account, you will be receiving a free trial credits. Your free trial becomes active. This prepayment is refundable if you choose to close your account. So this is what I was talking. So you this is a just what we call it as. So whenever we are staying at some kind of a you know apartment in Hyderabad, what they do, they will ask for some amount of a charge, right? So some 50,000 or 1 lakh rupees. Don't I don't know what they call it as something. So after whenever you are trying to not to stay at that particular home, they will refund you entire thing. The same thing here also. It is just a one time activity, prepayment, and yeah, security deposit. Once the security deposit has 1,000 rupees, you are putting it now. Once you don't want it to close once you don't want to use this account, right, you at 85th or 86th or 87 89 on that particular day or 90th day, last day of your Google Cloud account, if you just close your billing account, this account will be refunded to you. This 1,000 rupees will be refunded to you. I will tell you by the end of the sessions when you have to do that, so that your account 1,000 rupees will be credited. Just click on OK. And now, Sai, you have to complete this transaction. Would that be okay? 1,000 rupees are there in your account, right?
Yeah, no issue.
Yes. So this is how
But
it shows that.
current,
Yeah.
right? So 2 rupees is debited from my account
Huh.
only.
That's verification. That's fine.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, now you see, guys, the account is created, but it is not fully active because we have not completed the 1,000 rupees. So where do you have to do? You see, your free trial is pending because you have to complete the make payment of 1,000 rupees, right? So just click on make payment and it will come here. And you see make payment option. Click on make payment, and this is 1,000 rupees only. And click on continue and pay now. Please complete this one.
And Saidul, one more confirmation. So I'm maintaining the two accounts. Two means is a
Anything is fine.
anything
Yeah,
is there. Yeah, okay.
anything. Complete the transaction. That's it.
Oh,
Any
okay.
account you are able to complete it. Yes.
Yeah, done.
Done. Okay. Done. Payment is successful. Your payment should be appear in transaction page within 24 hours. That's it, guys. So this is how we have completed this payment also. You should be able to see this deposit of 1,000 rupees here within maybe 5 minutes or so, or hardly 1 or 2 minutes also sometimes. So we have to wait for some time. See here, it is 1,000 rupees. You have a credit out 1,000 rupees here. Okay, so what will happen? Your account should be fully active, maybe within 1 or 2 minutes. It will be okay. So we will wait for some time. All right. Yes. So now one more thing, Sai. What you have done is that for two transactions that you have done, guys. Right. So
Yes.
what we have done is that we have done two transactions. Okay. One is for the auto pay. Auto pay. One is for the 1,000 rupees. So 1,000 rupees is a security deposit. This is a security deposit. And this auto pay is only for the verification. So can you, Sai, can you go to this transaction where you have done this one?
Yes. Yes.
Go to that and try to delete the auto pay.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Complete.
Yeah. Deleted the auto pay. Very good. So we have to delete this auto pay. Not important, but on a safer side, we will try to delete the auto pay. And after 85 days, sorry, 86th day, for example, 86th day, I will tell you, okay, I suggest you to close the billing account on that particular 85th day or 86th day. I suggest you to close the billing account so that your entire money will be, this 1,000 rupees will be again back to the source where did you have complete your transaction. Okay, would that be also okay, right?
Yes. Yes. No issue. Yeah.
Yes, perfect. So this is what is the process that we have to follow, guys. So if I try to refresh this account, there should be a full account should be active within 5 minutes. Yes, perfect. You can see here, guys, free trial status of 26,000 rupees for next 91 days. Did I tell you 26,000 is equals to $300? Your account is active with 26,000 plus 91 days, including today. This is what is something that Google account is active, everyone. This is the same procedure everyone must follow. Now, Sai, your account is created. I'm giving you the all the details. Can you
Yeah.
share it with? Yeah.
Yeah. Sure. Thank you. Okay.
Thanks for your help also, Sai, on this day. So I'm sharing with you only, and your password is this one. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. And for you, any of the OTPs or anything will come to your mobile only.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah. Perfect. So this is how we have to create an account, guys. If anyone needs my help to create the account, I am here. So creating an account is very much important step. One more thing also I will show you. Go to the navigation menu. You can go to the billing section. You see here you have a billing section. Click on this one. So if you go to the billing section, go down to this page. Go down. So you should be able to see, sir, where I can see my money, you can see here. Free trial credit of 26,000 rupees for the next 91 days. So this is the thing that you should be, everyone should be able to see it. So you complete both of these transactions, then only you will get it, guys. You complete this, both of these things. So you complete first, create a Google account, select the country, payment, credit card or debit card will be only accepting you this one. But I suggest you to go with a UPI. Okay, so I suggest you go with a UPI, guys. UPI verification, UPI deposit. So this is what is simple step. So what it will do when you go for UPI, the steps are very simple. So UPI verification auto pay will be enabled. So you have to delete the auto pay once the account is created. One more is UPI deposit of 1,000 rupees, and we will be closing our account on the 86th day or 90th day also, so that once you close the billing account, you are going to get your 1,000 back. I can mention here, you are going to get your 1,000 back. Yes. So this is what is going to happen. All right. Any questions, guys? Anyone here? Is this clear? First thing. If anyone wanted to create the account, I'm gonna help you guys. Start creating the accounts now. Okay. So wherever you have done this transaction, right, first transaction, UPI, for example, did you do the on UPI, right? Debit card. Okay, did you complete the transaction of 1,000 rupees also on the debit card? Yes, perfect. Huh. You don't have to delete the autopay because debit cards doesn't have an option of autopay actually. But if you can go and check it out in your bank, is the autopay is enabled or not, you can check it out. I mean, you meant to say you will be having some application, right? Right. Just transaction application, you can see. Yes, perfect. So I see some of the people are already creating their account and starting posting there that I have created the account. I wanted to see most of the people creating the account today itself. So I'm gonna give you 5 minutes. Next 5 minutes is for creating the accounts, guys, until 8:10. So go ahead, start creating the account, put it in the chat box that I have created my account fully. So that's what I wanted to say. Completed, completed. Sir, if you guys wanted, yes, please. No, no, don't click on this activate fill account. This wanted to tell you guys. So the account is created, right? So there's an activate option here. What is this activate option? I wanted to tell you, make you aware. So this is activate account is something that you are trying to connect to whatever the payment that is you are done, you are completed. That after 91 days, it will make use of it. Okay, but we don't want it to do that. So do not click on this activate button, guys. Otherwise, after 26,000, it will be start debiting from your account. So that's the reason. Do not click on this activate button, or do not click on any of these activate or upgrade buttons. These are our enemies. Okay, all right. So because we already have 26,000 rupees, we will make use of this only. Never ever click on this activate button. Yeah, sure. Perfect. So just wanted to see all the people creating their account. Start creating your accounts and please put it in the chat box, guys, saying that completed. Which one? Sorry. This should be, you should be able to see this one. Here you should be able to see. Ah, you can click on. So let me gonna give you a small again. So I might have told you already for some people or not. So I'm gonna tell you guys the small overview of this particular homepage. What are the options are here? So meanwhile, people, some people can create your accounts. So this is left navigation menu. This is what I call it as a left navigation menu. This is project area. We already know that this is project area. This is search box, and this is our Gemini, and this is our free trial status button. You see, we can check click on here, and we can also check it out. This is our free trial status button. We can click on it here and check it out. And this is our cloud shell button. Cloud shell button. So these are notifications. This is all project settings or user settings. Project settings or user settings. All right. So this is how. So you can also click on this one. Why did I tell you this one is that you can also click on this particular option. So this one, you can click on this option. That means this one. If you can click on this one, you should be able to see free trial status. Okay. Yes. Okay. So I see that total 5 people have created their accounts so far, and plus 2 here. So total, okay, total 8 members, guys. Total 8 members created their accounts. I wanted to still put your effort, try to creating it now. Mhm.
Will it work? Will it work? Can I create through company laptop? It will work
Company laptop also it will work. Yes, Shan, I'm not sure. Select me as a end user for me to send the message. Okay, so you cannot send it to everyone. Okay, you can sir, whenever you are sending the message, you select me as a person. Yes.
because I am unable to open incognito mode. So
Oh,
incognito mode is
okay.
necessary.
Incognito mode is not necessary. Okay, guys,
Mm.
when you're creating the account, incognito mode is not necessary, but I do just don't want it to, hamper your current activities, which may connect it to your Google account. While you are actually log into the Google account, it will directly go to the Google account of yours. Okay, so that's the reason. Or if you wanted to just sign out from your current Google account and start creating your free account, also it is your fine. It's your choice. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so most of the sir, can you please enable chat to everyone so that we can visible other queries as well? There are no queries, so I cannot enable actually first thing. So it's only me. You send only me to me because it's the management. Yes. Okay, so total 11 people. Total 11 people have created the accounts, guys. So we have still more 3 more minutes. Start doing it. I am not gonna disturb you guys. Start doing it. I am here. Don't worry.
Yes, and here Sai. So just I'm trying to log in with my credentials, so I'm unable to log in. That's getting so password is incorrect.
Okay, one minute. I have given you the password, right?
Yeah, I'm using the same password, but getting that one.
Okay, that is the problem. I don't know where to we can do that. The email ID is the same email ID you are using, right?
Yeah, I'm using the same email ID. It's like GCP man. Okay. So it's in my password. So the first character is the capital letter, right?
Capital, yes.
Yeah, I'm using the same. Yeah.
Personal information security. Oh,
And I think we don't. Do you have that any password reset option here?
let me try to see if the password is correct or not.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
The password is correct. Would you wanted to add your mobile number here?
Yes, yeah. Please, you can. Yeah, I'm sharing.
Okay.
988
Okay.
566
Mm-hmm.
22
Mm-hmm.
83. Yes. No. This is a wrong password. Mm,
I have added, right?
added, but still getting.
Do you have another email?
Yes. Yes, just I shared my email.
Yeah.
The below is the yes, yeah.
Mm, okay. Can you
Yeah,
give me the code, please? Yes.
yeah. 168475.
Huh. Now use the same password to log in. Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Same password. And if it is asking for forgetting the password also, you can do it.
Yeah, yeah, okay. Yeah.
Yes. But password is same. Use
Okay.
Gmail Sai P GCP at
Okay.
gmail.com.
Yes, yes, yes,
Fine.
yes.
Yeah. Yes, Anupam Tripathi, you have any question?
Actually, sir, open Google Chrome and search Google Cloud. After this, I switched my Gmail ID.
Mm-hmm.
So after this, it's not asking for UPI verification. Just select only showing payment method. So I have shown pay by UPI QR code.
Okay.
After this, it is very difficult to scan because it's not scanning. And
Oh,
once scan, it is asking for auto pay for 15,000.
yeah, complete it. Right. So if it is asking auto pay of 15,000, you complete it. Not a problem. Right. So it is just not to complete the transaction. It is an auto pay option. Okay. Enabling the
Mhm.
auto pay option. So that's the reason we're deleting the auto pay later. Okay. You complete
Okay,
it.
okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so we need to okay, go ahead on this.
Yes. Yes.
After this, it will ask 1,000 again.
Huh. Yes. This auto pay, it will not do anything. There won't be
Okay.
any 15,000. Only 1,000 rupees will be debited and it will be again credited back later. Yes. Yes, Hari P. You have any question? No, you can if you are staying in any other country and if you have the payment method of that particular country, you can select that particular country. Yes. Because at that particular country, they might not be providing you free account. Do you have an account or maybe bank account in India? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Do another payment option maybe if you have. Yes. Okay, so a lot of people have created the account, guys. So for the other people who have not created the account, no worries. So you guys can create it later. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, so let me gonna just tell you few details which we already some people might have already known about it. So let me gonna talk about this thing. Maybe today is for just basics. So we created this account, guys, right? Can anyone tell me what is a project in the Google Cloud Platform? What is a project? So once you created the account, so we have to set up the project, right? Then we have to enable the billing, manage the billing, and then enable the API. Sorry, yes, let me share my screen. Sorry, I forgot that. All right. So once you create a free trial account in the Google Cloud Platform, everyone, so we have to set up the project. Then we have to enable the billing, manage the billing, and we have to enable the APIs, and we can able to do any of the interaction things like ingesting the data, storing the data, processing the data, analyzing the data. All of these activities we can do. Now that we have this ready, now that we have this ready, you have to create a project. We already know what is a project. Tell me, guys, what is a project? Sir, a project is simply a resource container. A project is simply a resource container. For example, if I wanted to interact with the Google Cloud Storage, maybe for storing some amount of a data, so there you are going to create some kind of a resources like buckets or data sets or clusters. So these are all, we call it as a resources. So whenever you guys wanted to create any kind of resources, that's where you can create a project. A project is more of a resource container. So once the project is created, all the actions and permissions are defined at a project level only. All the access as well as permissions are defined at project level. And one more thing is that the billing is linked via project. So what is this one? Whenever you guys are now that in your account, how much amount of money is there in your account? $300, somewhere around 26,000 rupees are there. For India, Indian people, they have 26,000 rupees. This is your billing account, right? So whenever you start creating the resource, for example, I created one of the bucket for storing the data, right? I'm storing some amount of a data here. So whenever you are storing some amount of a data, that means you are using the resources from the Google Cloud Platform. So what it will do, so the moment you are doing any kind of an activity, the amount will be debited from here. So the amount will be keep on debiting from here. So this is what. So whenever you start interacting with any of the resources in the Google Cloud Platform, whatever the amount of money that we as a having credit, free credits, that is going to be burned out. But when you are actually working in the company will have its full account. They will be having a full account where the money will be debited from the organization bank account. It will be debiting. Okay, so that is what will happen. So for that purpose only, the billing is linked to the project. So all the resource usage and the cost are tracked at project level, and billing can be attached to the payments, right? So billing can be attached to the payment. However, our billing account, currently your billing account is attached to what? Can anyone tell me? If you are doing the account creation via UPI, it will be attached to the UPI, or if it is attached to the credit card or debit card. So that is what. Okay, so this is what is going to happen, right? But we already have a free credit, so nothing will happen from here because it is going to be making use of all the money. So it will make use of all the money whenever you guys are interacting with any of the services. Perfect, right? So this is what is going to happen. Similarly, if one wanted to work with any of the resource, they must create or select the project. They must create or select the project. So a project is a resource container. Access and permissions are defined at project level, and billing is linked to the project only. If one wanted to work with any of the resource, they must create or select the project. All right, this is one. So right, while creating the project, we have to provide the project name, the project ID, project number. Project name can be provided by the user, and they can change it later also. Project ID provided by the user cannot be changed later. So, sir, project ID I am giving it today, can I be able to change it later? The answer is no. You cannot change the project ID once created. And project number is auto assigned by the Google and cannot change it be also later. So that's what. So what I'm going to do, so I think your account is ready, right? So you go to your accounts. Okay, I don't wanted to do that. Okay, I'll go to my account maybe. So I'll go to my account. So I'm going to go to the Google Cloud account, which I already have. So you can go here. So this is what I told you, project area. Just click on this one. See, you are able to see new project. Click on this new project. And when you click on new project, you should be able to provide the project name and project ID. See here. Maybe I'm going to click on this one again. Click on this project area box. Click on the new project. See project name. So project ID, you can click on edit option. So this is where project name, you add your whatever the project name you want, whatever the project ID you want. Okay, so that's where you can provide the project name, project ID, and here your organization. When you're working in the company, your project is connected to your organization, your company. But now you are working in an individual account, right? So that's the reason it will be showing as a no organization. Okay, so that is what is going to happen. All right, so this is how you set up the project. Once you set up the project, you can just click on this one. You can go to the billing section. So There is an option manage billing accounts. Maybe you may not be able to see this option. For me only it is showing. Maybe I can go again. So you click on this left navigation menu, click on the billing accounts. So it will open the billing accounts of us. And every day, sir, I wanted to check my how the free credit status is happening. You can click on this one here, or at the top also you can click on this one here, so that you will be able to see the status, how much amount of money is there in my account for how many days. All of those details you should be able to see. And this is how. And sir, so click on this my billing account. See, you see here. Click on my billing account, manage billing account. So this is the billing account which is connected to your free trial status. So that's the reason every time it will be zero only, because we are using the free trial. Your projects. So how many projects you are creating, it will be showing here only. All the projects it will be creating, it will be showing. So for some project, the billing is disabled. For some project, the billing is enabled. So how to enable the billing for some projects, or how to disable the billing for some project, if you ask me, you can just select here, click on these three dots. You see an option to disable billing. You can click on disable billing. So the billing is disabled for project. That means if you wanted to use the resources, can I be able to use the resources in that particular project where the billing is enabled? Can you guys comment on it? No. So we cannot do that. Okay. So if the billing is disabled, you cannot use any of the resources in the Google Cloud Platform. But sir, I wanted to enable it. Just click on this option here, click on change billing here, and select the billing account here, set account. That's it. So the account will be set. I'm just telling you this option. Okay. You don't have to do anything. You already have a my first project. You already have a my first project. Once you create your account, you have already have a project. Yes or no? Can you guys confirm? You might be already having one of the first project created by the Google Cloud Platform itself. You can work in that particular project itself. Okay. So we can use the existing project only. You don't have to create anything. But sir, I wanted to create a one more project and start in that particular project, sir. In that case also you can go for it. Anything is fine. Okay. So this is how you have a project section. You have a billing area. You can enable it, disable it, right? So once you enabling the billing and once you disable the billing, so this is also now you know, this is also now you know. Sometimes some services we need to enable the API. So when the time comes, I will tell you, but not for all the services. Some of the services, whenever you guys are interacting with the services, it will ask you to enable the API. Maybe I'll show you one of the example. This is not the project. Maybe here. For example, if I'm using the composer, some of the services only, not all the services. Okay, it is not asking me, but maybe for example, if you go to the composer, can you guys check it out? Go ahead. You already have the accounts, right? Search with the composer now, and click on the composer and tell me what is the page you are seeing. Anyone?
Enable try with this API.
Yes, there's an option to enable API option will be there, isn't it? If you
Yeah.
go to the composer, see, that is what I'm talking about. For some of the services, they ask you to enable the API without any second thought. You can enable it. You can click on enable, which is a free of option, nothing to worry about it. That's it. Okay, you can enable the API, which is a free of cost. Go ahead and click on enable API. That's it. It will take like 30-40 seconds and API will be enabled. You can start interacting with the services. So this is how creating a billing account, project setup, enabling billing, manage the billing, enable the APIs. So now you already know console. What is console? Cloud Shell Cloud SDK, so that you can do all the data engineering activities, maybe for ingesting the data. That is what we are going to do from the tomorrow onwards. Okay, so this is what. So you can just click on this free trial status button to verify how much amount of money in your account. All right. So this is how you have to do it, guys. This is how, once you create your account, I want you guys to set up your project, and make sure that you go to the billing section, explore yourself, right? So explore yourself. Just go here, sir, I have a free trial status, I can check it out here. Sir, I go to the billing section. Okay, sir, I go to the billing section. I will try to verify it here. Sir, I wanted to click on reports. What is this report, sir? It will talk about how many resources are I am using it so far. Okay, it will talk about. Currently, it will be everything is zero for you because you have not used any of the resources. So that's the reason I'm not telling you. But for me, you see, I have a resource cost for each and everything. But if you can see here, the subtotal is zero for me. Because why it is subtotal is zero, guys? Because we are using the free trial status. Everything will be zero billing. Yes. Okay. Yeah. All right. So this is where I wanted to give you a high level overview of how to create an account. I told you how to create an account on the in front of you only. I have created the account. I want you guys to follow the same method. Don't worry about that 1,000 rupees. It will be credited back to you once we close the billing account. That's what I wanted to guys you do. And sir, before 90 days itself, you are going, if you complete the $300, that means you can create one more account. Sir, $300 are burned out, sir, because of some action. I did not taken the account carefully. That means you can create a one more free account also. Any number of free accounts you can able to create it. But I suggest you 90 days is a huge amount of a time. For $300 is a huge, guys. Even 3 to 4 persons working on the same account. You see, I am using the same account for doing the same activities for four projects, four batches parallelly, four batches. Even if I'm using also, let us see, I'm using it, I'm still left with 40 days and 11,000 rupees. That means huge amount of money they are giving you. Okay, you cannot be able to just burn all the $300 for 90 days. It is not possible at all for one person. Okay, but 3 to 4 people, if they are using it, that is also good. Yeah. All right. Yes, now if anyone have any question, please you know hand sorry, 1 minute, guys. Yeah, if anyone have any questions, please raise your hand, guys. Yes, Vamshi, you have any question? Hmm. Nothing. Nothing. Enabling the billing, disabling the billing, you are just enabling the services. Yes, enable the API is you are just enabling the service. That's it. Nothing will happen. Okay, the cost will always will be charged whenever you are storing something, whenever you are computing something. Yes, sure. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, yeah, 1 minute, guys. Yes, Anupam. Anupam, you have any question?
So, sir, while creating the project, it is asking you have 10 projects remaining in your quota. Request to increase or delete
No,
projects.
you are yes, because this is a free trial. They cannot give you everything for free, right? So you have a limitation of 10 projects.
So, is there any restriction to create the project?
No, you can create it. We hardly create 1 or 2 projects for them for practice.
One
Right.
or two project only.
Right. This is our free account, man. You are not
Okay.
going to do anything in the company, right? So companies are different, and your individual free account is different, right? Yes.
Okay.
In the company,
Suppose I create one project, and after 2 days, can I delete it? Then again, I need to
yes,
create. We cannot do like this
you can do until 10.
until 10. Okay. 10 projects we can create.
That's what you have read just now,
Mm.
right? Yes, Srinivas, you have any question?
Yes. So I have created the account and made
Hmm.
the payment. So now I can disable my auto payment, right? Or I need to wait for some
Yes,
time.
yes, do it now. Do it now
Okay.
itself. Yes, yes, please. So today is your first class. Hardly one session was completed earlier. That's it, Gautam. Okay, no worry about it. Only one session might have completed it. Two sessions totally. One was about introduction about your course, the curriculum, right? So if you guys wanted to continue, actual regular session is from today only. So if you guys wanted to continue, just get the recordings, and you should be able to watch it in the fast forwarding, because most of the things you might have known about the course. Yeah. Yes. So those people. Okay, one thing, guys, those people who are joining today itself, just connect with the management team and they will help you with the two sessions was completed, right? Two sessions was completed. So just connect with them and try to get the recording of them. Two sessions, when I say one hour session only, two sessions is equal to also 1 hour only, because I might be talking about very, very basic things about what is data engineering and what is course curriculum in a detailed way. Okay, so go ahead, and if you guys wanted to continue, connect with your management teams, and they will ping you or I'll ping you, and try to complete your payments. Start regularly from tomorrow onwards. Everything will be in the Google Cloud platform only. Today onwards, the regular sessions are started. Okay. Yes. Okay, guys, thank you all. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Yeah. Shaidul?
Yes, yes, 1 minute, guys. So there are few questions. Let me see. And yes, Sarul. Yeah.
Yeah, the thing is, like earlier in the sessions, previously, Anupam was asking question to you, right? Before Anupam, someone was asking question to you.
Chat
We,
box, that works
we
in the
were
chat.
able to listen that question actually. We were able to not we myself. I am not able to
No,
listen.
that is in the chat box. I meant to say chat box. The question I have read it from the chat box.
Okay. No, generally, why it is happening for someone if they asking
No,
if
no, no. Usually two sessions happens at the same time. That could be a reason. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Some five. So here we have 12. There we have 20. Total 30 members are there in the course. Yes.
okay.
Yes. I
Okay.
see a question. So tomorrow onwards, no, today onwards the regular session started, guys. Okay, so I'm reading the chat box. I don't know whether you, because they send the messages to me only personally, so that's the reason. That could be a reason. And Gautam also pasted one of the message that was to me personally. So that's the reason when I'm reading that question. So you may be thinking that other people, most of the time the question will be in the chat boxes only, and by default my first project is created. Yeah, I told you, right? So Google will already create your first project. You can make use of it. Yes, you don't have to create a new project also. Okay. Yes. And I hope I might have answered all your questions, guys. We will stop the session here for today. Okay, so I might have answered all your 50 all your questions. How can we close free account after 85 days? So to create a account after 85 days, guys, right? So you come again here to the billing, and see, there is a manage billing account. Click on this manage billing account. There's an option to close billing account. So I not now. Okay, not now. Don't do it now, but you can able to do it later. Okay, you will be able to do it later after 85 or 86 days. Okay, so this is something that you can do. All right. So we will stop it here. I suggest you to go ahead and try to set up your accounts and set up your projects. Be ready. Tomorrow onwards, what we are going to do is that we are going to have our sessions regularly, and we are going to take a actual topic of GCP locations. Right. So this is what we are going to take. Right. So this one. So far we have seen only these things: GCP introduction, interfaces. Today I told you account, project, and all these things. These basics are, we are looking at the basics only so far. Okay, free account, project, sell up, billing management. So this is something that we have seen. Today you know how to create a billing account also. Tomorrow we are going to see what is GCP locations. What is location, region, and zone? Why it is needed? What is the selection criteria? We are going to see it tomorrow. Okay, so these are next to two sessions also, like GCP locations and GCP IAM and admin also. These are two theoretical topics only, because you need to make yourself comfortable in the Google Cloud platform. Like it will take two days, 2.5 hours. So then after that, we will go to the programming and GCP data engineering services. All right. So this is where We have just completed these two guys, interfaces and console walkthrough. That's it. All right. Thank you all. Have a great day. Bye bye. We will meet in the same session tomorrow at the same time, and create your account, set up your projects. We will continue tomorrow. Thank you all. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.